First Cry brand store in Bangui, Kadamba, Old Goa, just opposite Gera School. So we are very proud and happy for all the parents, because this is the one roof for all categories. It's a one shop for all categories, for kids, for babies and kids up to 6 years. So it is a very great opportunity for you all to come here and explore our products. So we have very good options in all categories, starting from like occasion wear, then diaper, rompers, then leggings. So all kinds of baby wears and kids wear, jeans, shorts, t-shirts. And then we have other categories also, like feeding and nursing, toys, baby gear, nursery, cradles. So everything is one roof for babies and kids. So you'll find everything here, whatever you need for your baby.